Hello guys, welcome to this video. In this video I'm gonna teach you about static variable in PHP. So to understand the concept of static variable, let's see the function that I'm gonna create here. So the name of this function is func, and inside this function I'm gonna declare a variable that is named as count, and I'll initialize a value 1 to this variable. Then I'll use echo statement to display the value of this variable on the web page. So I'm gonna write here now. After this echo statement, I'll increment the value of this variable by 1 by using increment operator. Now first the value of this variable will be initialized to 1, and 1 value will be displayed here on the web page, and after that the value will be incremented by 1. Now I'm gonna call this function for 3 or 4 number of times. So I'm gonna copy this statement and paste it for 3 or 4 number of times. Now I'm gonna save the file and refresh the page to see the result. Here you can see that one value is displaying on the web page. Now if I make this variable a static variable, then see that what happens. Now this is a static variable. Now I'm gonna save the file, refresh the page. Here you can see that value is 1, 2, 3 and 4. So in case of non-static variable, each time the function will be called, count variable will be newly created and the value will be displayed 1, and after that value will be incremented by 1. But in case of static variable, when the first time this function will be called, the value of this count variable will be initialized to 1, and 1 value will be displayed on the web page, and then value will become 2. And now the second time when this function will be called, then this count variable will not be newly created. So it will use the previous value that was in the previous function call, that was 2. So the 2 value will be displayed on the web page the second time, and the value will become 3, and the third time the value 3 will be displayed and then value become 4, and so on for any number of function calls. Now if you want that how many times this function is called, so you can use this static variable to know the number of times the function is called. So hopefully guys you have understood about static variable in PHP. So thanks for watching this tutorial. I'll see you in the next tutorial.